Technology has moved rapidly in recent years. But over the past 50 years, there has been very little development in the slurry pump industry.
One way that centrifugal pumps can be categorized is by the way liquid flows through them.
The design of the 1950s is still used in slurry pumps today.
We have identified that the majority of slurry pumps, especially all-technology slurry pumps, are running in non-severe wear applications, which gives the perception that they are non-problematic. However, this does not mean that their performance is by any means acceptable.
As innovators, we at Pump and Abrasion Technologies set to work as we believe that more is possible with these slurry pumps. More life, more efficiency, better sealing, and lower operating costs. As a further step, we added an additional criteria. All these improvements should be possible at zero capital cost and zero training required on site.
After years of R&D, we're excited that this is now possible. For zero capital, you can now upgrade your all-technology, non-problematic slurry pump to brand new 21st century technology without the need to change your current slurry pump.
Introducing the Curve Black Widow. This is not a new slurry pump. These are high-performance kits for your current slurry pump. It's new tech for your old tech. Purchasing a Black Widow high-performance kit is similar to upgrading the performance of a motor vehicle to achieve better fuel efficiency, power, or improved off-road performance. With BW HPKs, you can now buy upgrade kits that will improve the performance of your old slurry pump. The next time you perform routine maintenance, choose a kit that works best for you. Black Widow offers the following 3 high-performance kits that you can install in your old slurry pump. Need longer life? Select HPK1. Need more flow, higher head, and even more power saving? Select HPK1 Plus. Need a better sealing arrangement? Select HPK2. Do not accept the performance of your outdated slurry pump. Curve Black Widow. More is possible.